In this video, I'll show you how to become a Salesforce CRM developer in 2026. The first step is to learn the basics of Salesforce CRM, including how objects, fields, records, reports, and automation work. A solid understanding of the platform makes learning development much easier. Next, create a free Salesforce Developer account and start practicing in your own environment. You can also use Salesforce Trailhead, the company's official learning platform, to complete hands-on modules and projects. Once you're comfortable with the basics, start learning Salesforce development technologies such as Apex, Lightning Web Components, SOQL, and Salesforce APIs. These are the core skills used to build custom applications and automate business processes. After gaining practical experience, work on small projects to build a portfolio and become familiar with real-world development scenarios. Finally, consider earning the Salesforce Platform Developer 1 certification to validate your skills and improve your job opportunities. With consistent practice and hands-on experience, you'll be well on your way to becoming a Salesforce CRM developer. And that's how you can become a Salesforce CRM developer in 2026.